Watch this. This is going to be really cool. It's plugging away. These are not two separate chambers in this master cylinder. It's one singular chamber. See the fill line? It's filling up. Oh, my bottle's empty. Experiment failed. I need a new bottle. Another! Okay, second bottle prepared. This is actually the experiment. That's what I wanted to illustrate. Displacement. It's a full bottle right there, okay? See how the fluid will not exceed the lip of the bottle? It's because oil cannot flow out of this bottle because there's no air to displace the fluid that may or may not come out. And since fluid can't come out, it can't overfill this reservoir. Science. Now the cool part is once the fluid machine evacuates fluid from the brake caliper, this level will drop, and as this level drops, it will allow air to reach the lip of this bottle. And then once air reaches there, air can go in, some fluid can come out, and it'll maintain a full level on this reservoir. See it? Very good. Hope you guys found that interesting. I sure did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you guys later. Another.